Aloha and welcome to Dino Mama's kitchen. This recipe comes from an actually unremarkable, unmagical cookbook, but is the absolute best basic cupcake recipe there is, and is also extremely versatile. This episode is not sponsored, and anything I use or that you see is what I happen to have in my home or local grocery. This recipe is best mixed with an electric mixer, as it does call for a lot of flour and liquids. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix 5 eggs and 2.5 cups of white sugar in a large mixing bowl. Once incorporated, add the next four ingredients: 6 teaspoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1 cup of vegetable or canola oil, and 1 cup of orange juice or any sweet juice, and mix well. Did you know during the Jurassic period, the landmass was joined together in a supercontinent known as Pangea, which was so large its center was a giant desert, and the only habitable areas were around its coastal rim? Next, gradually add 4 cups of white flour, 1.5 cups of boiling water, and a pinch of salt, and mix until the batter is nice and smooth. These cupcakes were great as a party activity. Leave them naked and put frosting, candies, and sprinkles into bowls and allow kids to decorate them on their own. You can also add chocolate chips to them or make s'more flavored as we did, or even peanut butter and jelly flavored. Lastly, pour into lined muffin tins and bake for 30 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. I strongly advise filling to the top because they do not rise well. Thank you for joining me today in Dino Mama's kitchen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, only nice people get sweets.